to the Characterpreneur certification program. I am thrilled, thrilled, thrilled that you are here. My name is T.C. Cooper. I am the founder of the FaithFocusFlow Institute for Character and Leadership and the president of our parent company, Upward Action, LLC. I am an attorney by trade. I am a certified coach, and I have a passion for helping business leaders just like you build enterprises and empires based on character, based on integrity, and based on those foundational purposes, or rather those foundational principles that will help you be in business for the long run, doing the type of business that has a real impact in your community and in the world. You are a world changer, and your journey of changing the world starts with the world that is around you. It is my hope and my prayer that this program, this certification program, will help give you the tools to be very confident in doing business in a way that adds value while building wealth. We call it purpose and profit, right? Purposeful profit. That is what a characterpreneur does. Now, here in Module 1, we're going to cover foundational principles that are important for you to have in place in order to build a character-driven principles. You're not going to be able to do it without having these foundational principles, these foundational elements in place. We're going to spend Module 1 and Module 2 talking about the foundational elements so that you are indeed ready to build an empire. So let's get started. Here is the very first thing that, well, actually, before we get started, let me give you a roadmap for where we're going so that you can follow along and you'll know what to expect in this training video. First, we're going to talk about turning your thoughts into a compelling vision. A compelling vision is foundational. It is essential to building everything else in your business and in your life. You've got to be able to see it before you can manifest it. Then we're going to talk about how to create an inspiring and actionable mission. So first you have your vision, and then it's followed by mission. That's the second thing. And then we're going to talk about establishing goals. Goals are the fuel that are going to get you from where you are to where you want to be. It's the how. How are you going to actually do it, right? So first we're going to talk about what do you see? That's the vision. What will you do? That's the mission. How will you do it? Those are the goals. That's what we're going to cover in this Module 1. So now I want to, before we hop into talking about vision, I want to cover something that's really important. And it's important to talk about it first because I want this to be in the background of your mind as we're going through the remaining of the training program. I want it to be in the background of your mind as we go through the rest of the training program. Here is the concept. People first. People first. When you are creating your vision, your mission, and your goals, I want you to stay focused on the people you will serve. It's all about people. When you think about the people who you will serve, this includes yourself actually, right? And then when you think about the people you will serve, then everything else is going to flow from that, and you'll start to see the benefit from your impact, your influence, and an increase in your income, because it starts with where it all comes from, people, right? All of the money comes from people, influence comes from people, relationships start with people, right? It takes other individuals in order to make your dreams a reality and to have an impact in the world. You have to impact someone in order to have an impact. So people first, and I'm going to give you, we're going to talk about this. I'm going to give you some groups of people to be thinking about as you're going through the training.